Hello, hello. Customer asked me how I should care for my Oriental rug, for my antique rug. This beautiful Islamic carpet came from Georgia, and the lady loved the rug. It's over 100 years old, and she asked me how I should care for this rug that I inherit from my mother.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Cleaning on antique Oriental rug require a special skill. To maintain this beautiful rug, what you should do, it's very simple steps. Once a year, flip the rug on his face and leave it on the floor for 2 weeks. Walk on it. This action will drop all the sand and all the dust that drop deep inside the rug on the floor. After 2 weeks, flip the rug gently, sweep all the sand and everything then it's on the rug, and vacuum the rug very good. That's it. After this, go to Costco and buy a white vinegar, Heinz. Spray the vinegar on the rug gently, just few sprays, and then brush it one way with the nap of the rug. This will kill the bacteria, then it's deep inside the rug, will make the rug shiny and bright, and protect the rug for longevity. Antique Oriental rug can last for generations. And if we keep it this way, it will last forever. I highly recommend to put a high quality padding under the antique rug. This is the same way a good socks will make you feel comfortable when you're wearing the shoes. When you're putting padding under the rug and you walk on it, you have the cushion to absorb through the padding, then it is inexpensive. But it will protect the rug from the floor. And the padding that I sell, I treat it with the Dead Sea minerals. This padding will kill bacteria that may be thinking of coming on the rug and live rent-free at your house. PetPeePee. Cleaning and protecting your Oriental rug will promise to the rug that he's going to have a long life in your home. Happy Thanksgiving 2021. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Any question on Oriental rug, you're welcome to write below, and I'd be glad to answer and make a video of it. Thank you. You have a good day. Enjoy the video. Cleaning Oriental rug is a task. I love cleaning Oriental rug. It proved to me that the machine that I build working the way how I dream about it at night. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. A cleaning process that's guaranteed in writing total urine odor removal, never color on, and never fuzziness. Thank you for watching.